Sige, sige.
Sige.
Set, action.
Sige, ready, set, action.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Jenber Castro today for this your host interviewer, Jenber Castro. And today we'll be having again a fast talk with 60 questions for children of Purok 1, Purok 2, and Purok 3. Thank you to the leaders of every Purok. The leader is Armela de los Reyes Purok 1. For the Purok 2, Jennifer Robito and Sitio Boy and Helvin Asian of Purok 3, Sitio Turok. Thank you to our sponsors, SP Carmila Rose Milay Di Mamay, SP Capnonong Aluipan, SP Noel, and miss all of our barangay officials, SA officials, barangay Kanods, and barangay volunteers. Thank you for visiting our Christmas party in Barangay Tubay South. For acting Mayor Susan Vidros Escote, and also acting Vice Mayor Greg Boytogono. Thank you also to the proud parents of our children. I hope that this past talk will give joy and smile to our faces. Those for me, this is the true meaning of Christmas, seeing all of us happy. So to everyone, Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Okay, today I will give you 60 questions. For the instruction, dapat ang hindi matik mo, amatin mo lang. Okay, I will give you 6 minutes. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, your timer starts now. Sweet or spicy?
Sweet!
Bawang or sibuyas?
Bawang!
Ang sinilas lala at TV o radyo?
Radyo!
Ikaw ang Elisa, atras o babante?
Abante.
Tanan ka mo, Roblox or Minecraft?
Wala!
Ang TV or aklan?
Atiye!
Umaga o gabi?
Umaga!
Tawanan o kulitan?
Tawanan!
English or Filipino?
Pilipino!
Drawing or painting?
Painting!
Sino gusto mo si Senator? Pia Cayetano or Camille Villar?
Kapatid!
Sino gusto mo si singer? Babs Fernandez or Shasha Padilla? Catherine Bernardo or Natin Lostre? ABS-CBN or GMA? Francine Diaz or Andrea Fernandez? Bondok or dagat? Kamay or taas paa? Malumbati o Boracay? YouTube or Facebook? TikTok or Twitter? Alala, kung bulaklak ka, ano ka? Example.
Kung bulaklak o ano?
Tanan na mo, example lang na kung ngayon ka, ano ka? Example. Ilang beses ka naglaro sa labas? Favorite color? Favorite things? Favorite things, mga bagay? 5 spelling words to answer. Lala, spell ang apple. Sino ba si, ang Elvin, spell ang star. Star yung nubos lang. Yun lang kita mo may guliwanag. Okay, ano pa? Spell moon. Spell ang flowers. Correct. Favorite cartoon.